I heard your friend studied environmental health, and I also heard that it's only government that can employ them. So, if government did not employ her like this, that is the end, Abi. Hey, bam! This is one of the biggest misconceptions people still have about environmental health profession. Welcome back to another episode of correcting the misinformation surrounding environmental health. Many people still think it is only government that can employ environmental health practitioners without realizing that this profession cuts across various sectors because it is directly connected to both human health and the environment. Let me explain further. Anything within the environment that can affect human health must be monitored and controlled. Likewise, human activities within the environment must also be managed properly to prevent damage to the environment. This is why environmental health practitioners are needed in many sectors, both private and government owned. We have them in industries and manufacturing companies where their core responsibilities include occupational health and safety, facility sanitation and hygiene, hazard analysis and critical control points known as HACCP, pest control, waste management, and compliance to environmental sanitation standards. We have them in hospitals and other healthcare facilities where they help with infection prevention and control, healthcare waste management, food safety, water hygiene, environmental sanitation, in protecting the patients, healthcare workers, and the general public from environmental health risks. We also have some in port health services helping to prevent international spread of diseases through surveillance and screening activities at the borders, seaports, and airports. We have them in environmental consultancy firms where they provide services such as environmental impact assessment, that is EIA, risk analysis, environmental auditing, sustainability advisory services for companies and projects. They also work with NGOs and international organizations focusing on projects related to public health, WASH program, that is water sanitation and hygiene, climate health, environmental sustainability, disease prevention, and community health interventions. We have environmental health practitioners as lecturers, researchers, and academic experts in higher institutions. Another thing many people don't know is that environmental health is a profession with different specialization. That is why professionals pursue additional certification and technical skills depending on their area of interest. And we also have environmental health practitioners who have built their own successful businesses around this profession. We'll be discussing all that in the next video. Don't miss it.